Okay, so I'm jumping right into the video. As you can see, I am wearing a men's jacket that I got from a local discounted store. Y'all comment down below and let me know if you have a Telco in your neighborhood. I live in New York, so I have a few of these stores around the neighborhood. I like to shop there because they have a lot of cute things at discounted prices. And yeah, I tend to go in the men's section a lot because I like to revamp a lot of the things that they do sell. So yeah, here I'm literally just cropping the bottom of the jacket off. As you can see, I cut about maybe 6 inches off, and now I'm just removing the collar. I want this jacket to have like a varsity kind of look to it. So after removing the collar, I went back in and I removed a little bit more of the collar, and I also gave it, like I said, a more varsity like neckline. Once cutting off the neckline and confirming that I like the shape of the neckline, I then went ahead and I hemmed the neckline, and I also hemmed the bottom with a zigzag stitch because I just wanted to make sure that those two fabrics would be aligned with each other. And then after hemming the bottom, I then went ahead and created an elastic band loop or hole, if that makes sense, as you can see, so the bottom of the jacket could have more of that elastic scrunchy effect. Here I'm just taking the excess fabric that I removed from the bottom of the jacket, and I'm cutting out that fleece like material because this is what I'm going to use to add to the sleeves of the jacket. So the bottom of the jacket should look something like this once you add the elastic band to it. And like I said, I'm taking that extra fabric and I'm going to add that to the sleeves or the wrist of the jacket, as you can see here. So I want the sleeves to have that bell-like effect, so I'm going to head on over to the sewing machine. As you can see, I'm hemming it. I want it to have a clean look, so I'm actually flipping it over 2 times and sewing it straight down. Once I'm done hemming the sleeve, I then go back and I turn my sewing machine tension all the way to 0, and I also extend the stitching to 6 so that we can do the gathering effect to the sleeve before going ahead and connecting it. So when doing the gathering effect on the sewing machine, like I said, you want to make sure that your tension is pretty much on 0. And here, all I'm doing is trying to unravel the 2 pieces of thread from one another so I can grab onto one thread and pull it. And that is how you gather the fabric, as you can see. So here I'm just gathering the fabric to the size of my wrist or the size of the jacket sleeve. Once you finish gathering, you now want to make sure that the measurements are good and everything aligns with each other. After that, you're going to then take the tension of your sewing machine and turn it back to normal, which would be around a 4 or a 5. And then I'm going to go ahead and do one straight stitch on top of the gathering. That ensures that the gathering stays in place. After I do that last stitch to ensure that the gathering is in place, I am then going to place the two sleeves on top of each other, wrong sides, and I am going to go ahead and add one straight stitch. And then after that, I go ahead and turn the sleeves onto the right side, and I add another stitch on the outside of it. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bells. I love y'all, and as always, remember to live, love you. Bye, guys.